Hello, NEISD faculty. This is Lorrie Garcia, Assistive Technology Specialist. For this quick tutorial, I'm going to focus on a simple way of getting digital text for your students who qualify for Bookshare. Every student and faculty member have an NEISD Google account created by the district. This is not a Google tutorial. If you do need more information about that, you can easily search YouTube or you can contact your NEISD campus ITS for a training. I do want to give a disclaimer. Many students can benefit from Bookshare and digital text, but there are three very specific qualifying criteria. A student must have a verifiable visual impairment, which prevents them from accessing the book visually, or a motoric impairment, which prevents them from physically accessing the book, or a severe reading impairment, such as dyslexia, which completely prevents them from accessing the print cognitively. There are many federal rules as per the Chafee Amendment. This is a grant which funds Bookshare, and these are not district guidelines. For the students who don't qualify for Bookshare, but still need digital access in order to make measurable progress on their curricular objectives, there are other methods of providing that support. This video is going to focus solely on converting Bookshare files into Google Doc format for ease of sharing and homeschool access. Now, first, the easy part. Go to your Google Drive and open a new Google Doc. Title it with the name of your novel and keep it open. For my novel, I'm going to be downloading The Velveteen Rabbit. Okay, and now the important part. Simply put, Bookshare is an online repository of digital text. It's a federally funded library of over 501,000 novels, textbooks, periodicals, newspapers, and more. These are provided free of charge for students and at a nominal fee for other people who qualify. Now, as a school district faculty, we are the sponsors and the students are the members. Okay. If you're not yet a sponsor and you do have students who qualify, simply email me. This video may also help parents, so you may want to share it with them if it will be helpful. So first, we're going to log into Bookshare here in the top right. I'm going to actually be using a demo account so that no private student information is presented, but it will limit the titles available to me. You can go to this search bar right up here and enter information for whatever text that you need, or you can browse for a high interest novel. And once you do find a novel, you will download that. I'm going to browse the demo books collection, and I want the Velveteen Rabbit, which I know is at the bottom. Okay. This is a demo account, and I'm working as a student member demo. So I'm given the option right here to read now. This read now in the Google Chrome web browser is only available to individual member accounts for our students. It will not be available to us as faculty in the organizational account. Okay. And I will choose the file version that best suits my needs. In this case, I want the Daisy with Images folder. I will download this folder and I'm going to send it to my desktop. What you'll notice is, since this is a student demo account, there are many people across the country working in it, so things are a bit out of order. Here's actually mine, and I want to download it. So I click on download, makes sense. And I'm going to send it to my desktop. Okay. Now I'm going to go look at my desktop, and here it is. And you notice this zipper. What this zipper means is that we just have to unzip the folder. To open this up, we right-click on our mouse or touchpad buttons and navigate down to Extract All. Here's a pro tip. Make sure you know exactly where the extracted folder is being sent. I can't tell you how many times I have actually lost a folder. And right now I have everything defaulted to my desktop, and then I just delete it when I don't need it, or I save it to my Google Drive. So if my computer decides to self-combust, I still have my important files. Now that we've extracted this zipped folder, we can just delete it to avoid confusion. So I'm going to actually send the zipped folder into my recycle bin. I just like to do that. And I'm going to open up this unzipped folder right here. As you'll notice, there are many file types. It takes many files to run a DAISY file. These are the gold standard for use in digital text readers, such as the Classmate Reader and other devices for students with disabilities. So when you look at these, I want you to notice the largest file, and that is the XML file. The XML file will always be the largest file, and that's the one we want. So I'm going to double click. You may single click depending on the settings in your computer, and it opens up an Internet Explorer. I want to copy the entire page, and I'm going to actually just use my shortcut keys. Control A will select all of the text, and Control C will copy all of that text. Then I'm going to go back to that opened Google Doc, and I'm going to paste it in there with Control V or Velcro so that the text will be where I need it. So one of the immediate benefits of placing the text into Google Drive is easy sharing between student and faculty who are supporting that student. Another benefit is the many extensions that can extend the browsing experience and help to make accessing the text more possible, such as the Read and Write for Google Chrome extension, which I've discussed in previous videos. So I hope you have gained some useful knowledge from this quick tutorial. Share this information with others who may benefit from it. Also, if you go to Bookshare, they have an entire section in the Help Center right here with training and resources and videos and webinars, lots of online learning to support your needs or the needs of your students. Thank you so much and have a great day.